Hello, Elisan here. Thank you for stopping by. It's been an ages, guys. Today, I'm gonna show you my cleaning hacks. Like, I don't know how it just came, cleaning tricks, or how I clean my kitchen within seconds everywhere. Boom. Now, I will declutter and clean my kitchen. You see it by yourself with your eyes. Okay. Before I continue, guys, look how my kitchen is. Just look around. Like, everywhere is like cluttered. I'm gonna declutter everything now. Come show you what I use and how I manage, like, fixed everywhere within. Before I continue, let me tell you guys this story while I declutter. Yesterday we had education in our church, so um I just have to make one kind one pot Nigerian stew, like stew, one pot stew. Everything happened to be like so, guys, at the same time I boiled white rice. In a party we always see party jollof rice, we hardly see white rice. So people love the stew. Like, I'm not a caterer. I don't cook for people. I just managed to cook that. At least I'm going out with kids. When they are serving food, we can serve that one as well for ourselves. So, guys, I came back yesterday. We came back around 6 p.m. The church we left around past 10. So it was all on me. Everywhere. I just left everywhere. Let me tell you how lazy I am, that I left all these things, make breakfast, eat, take my shower, go pick my kids from school. Now I want to take time, fix everywhere. Okay, I'm coming to you. I'm coming to you guys. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, I'm done decluttering, guys. So I want to show you guys my hack. Okay, my trick, trick hacks. Yeah, the easiest way I used to clean my kitchen. Like, before you know it, everywhere is sparkling. I don't stress myself using this particular product. I do it myself. So keep watching. The first thing I do is to wear my gloves because it's gonna be hard. Okay. I really thank God for this product this method that I come across. Something just whispered to me to do it. I started doing it. Okay. So, guys, let me show you.
Mommy, no, mommy. Buddy.
One thing, I have my bucket there and my powdered soap. Just pour it there. Mix everything. Water is very hot. That is why I'm putting on the liquid. The next thing is just to start cleaning. I start cleaning. This is it's working for me. It helps me to clean within a twinkling of an eye, right? There are some stains that you are not seeing. This is what I do. Because this is not the glossy type, so immediately I'm cleaning, like any stubborn stain will just be disappearing. This is a very hot water. Even as I'm wearing gloves, I'm feeling it. But whenever it comes closer here, but within me, something is telling me that this is not safe for this wood. But what can I do? Let me do it while it lasts. very good. You can use it to wipe everything whiteable in your kitchen. Like seriously, I don't know. It just came into my mind the other day. Oh yeah, pick up this. It has been helping. Yo, I'm done cleaning, guys. Look at this. My son decorates here with his car. I removed this curtain. I need to wash the curtain. Just look at that. I bought this from Temu, although it's very small, sha. Look at that. This pot need to dry, need to soak. I burnt my rice while I was cooking. Look at this. Everywhere is free. Seriously, look at my sister. And look at this one. This is very small, but all the same, it's good, guys. I tell you that I did not sleep last night, seriously, because everywhere was not really how it ought to be. At least my kitchen is free. I don't know why this girl kept crying. Let's go. Okay, guys, that is it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.